Hi, Clayton. I was wondering if you could touch on what it costs to roll over funds into a self-directed IRA. Thank you.
All right, self-directed IRA. So again, we've got a whole video series here on the channel about self-directed IRA, what it entails. It's a very simple process. I mean, our team at Morris Invest can help you. If you've got an older IRA sitting there that's just collecting dust, or an old 401k that's sitting there, you left a job and you're moving to another job and it's just sitting there, we can help you transfer that over to a self-directed IRA. It's very low fees. You're paying really like a low annual fee of like a few $100s to a custodian who's just basically overseeing it. And then it gives you checkbook control of your finances to go out and invest in anything you want inside of this self-directed IRA. So again, if you had a traditional IRA or you've had a Roth IRA, you want to transfer it over, the choice can be yours. Like if you haven't paid taxes on it yet, right? So if you've got a traditional, you want to roll it over into a self-directed, the choice then is yours. Do you want to structure it so that you pay taxes now? Because you're going to pay taxes at some point. So I would much rather pay them now and pay the tax penalty now. Because again, I come back to the point of, when I retire, I want to be in a higher tax bracket, right? So if I'm going to be wealthier when I'm older, that means I'm going to be in a higher tax bracket. That means I will pay more in taxes when I'm retiring. So if I have the opportunity to pay taxes now, save a lot of money and pay it in a lower tax bracket, I would pay it now. That's what I've done. I had a traditional IRA that I rolled over into a self-directed IRA a number of years ago, and I was stupid because I went along with what people told me, which was, hey, Clayton, no, you should, it's tax deferred, man. Set up your 401k because it's tax deferred. I mean, you'll pay taxes later when you're retiring. You don't pay them now. I was like, yeah, that sounds like a great idea. That's why I hate the 401k and all the lies that are surrounding it. Well, that makes no sense because I'm going to retire wealthier is my goal. That means I'll be in a higher tax bracket when I retire. That means I'm going to pay more taxes later. So I want to pay taxes now when I'm poor or I don't have a lot of money, right? That's when you should be paying the taxes, lower tax bracket, okay? That's my personal opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is what I have done. Take this with a grain of salt. Speak with your own person on this, as long as they're educated. Then pay the taxes and then move it into a self-directed IRA custodian. These custodians are very simple. It gives you checkbook control. You can then buy real estate inside of your self-directed IRA. You can invest in precious metals. You can invest in crypto. Whatever you want to do, you have total control of it. The only thing you can't do is lend money to an immediate family member and buy collectibles. Like you can't buy comic books inside of your IRA. But you can do anything else you want. And the banks don't like you to know about this because then they lose the control and you have the ultimate control. Excuse me. So that's why, again, I buy real estate inside my IRA, my self-directed IRA, and it's a powerful, powerful thing to do. Again, our team at Morris Invest can help you with that. So if you're interested in transferring it over, Haley and the team on our IRA team can help you get it set up in like 10 minutes. If you just book a call with our team, go to morrisinvest.com. and click on the book a call button, and we'll help you with that whole process. We are experts at doing all of that on the self-directed side. And we'll give you all the updated laws and everything that's going on in the self-directed space as well. If you have a question that you'd like answered here on the show, just go to our website. Just go to morrisinvest.com. And morrisinvest.com is the website to go to. And click on the leave a voicemail button. And you can leave us a 30-second question here, and I will answer it on the show. Now, go out there, take action, everyone, and become a real estate investor. I believe it's the number one way to build wealth and, as I mentioned, to preserve wealth. We'll see you next time.